Hi, it's Carolyn from Gate 39 Media. Today I'll be offering some quick reasons why you should be using workflows in your HubSpot account. With the Workflows tool, you can automate your marketing, sales, and service processes to make your team more efficient. You can set automated internal processes, such as assigning deals to your sales team based on different qualifying factors. You can also rotate new leads to different contact owners on a round-robin basis. External processes that can be automated include email marketing campaigns and lead nurturing. You'll just need to decide on which criteria should be met to automatically enroll records and take actions on your contacts, companies, deals, quotes, and tickets. For more tips and tricks on marketing with HubSpot, check out Gate 39 Media's Engine 39 blog. Thanks for joining.